Apple, guys, or creators out there, look what I'm having to do. I had to put some Velcro on my phone case and the back of this SSD card. Help me, help me, help me. But seriously guys, like, let's figure this out. Like, we need to do better. I mean, it works, but it's definitely, it definitely doesn't. And I'll tell you why it doesn't work. Because if you want to connect, like, you want to connect any microphones, it's not gonna work. There's only one port. So like, I've even tried these. It has a little beep boop beep boop beep boop beep.